now you will see our welding machine. We have 4 robot welding machine. The first one, you will see. The second one, the third one, and the fourth one. This one is our new robot welding this year. You will see the detailed working process. Okay, this is the semi-product of metal legs. Now follow me, you will see the detail. You will see the welding parts and you will see the detail. The quality is very good. This is a hole for connecting the panel over the desk. Okay, and this part is the top part of the metal leg. This is the top part of a metal leg. And that one is our bottom part of our leg. Okay.